You're watching Good Business San Diego.
Welcome back. The following segment is brought to you by High Tech High. Joining us today is Meghan Paddy, the K-12 College and Career Technical Education Director for High Tech High. Meghan leads a network-wide effort to connect students with hands-on learning, industry partners, and real-world pathways in fields like engineering, biotech, media production, and aviation. She's here to share how high-tech high schools are preparing the next generation of thinkers, makers, and problem solvers. And it's great to have you here today.
Great to be here.
So tell us a little bit, first of all, about the College and Career Technical Program, what it is that is so unique about this.
Yeah, so at High Tech High, the College and Career Technical Education Program is integrated within our project-based learning model. So we believe that we learn by doing. So all of our students, TK all the way through 12, are going through the project-based learning curriculum while also getting credit for their college and career technical education. There's no two separate paths for college and career technical education. It's integrated within our curriculum that is connected to our community and industry partners. So students are creating work that is directly impacting the community that is done also in the real world.
So let's talk about the industry and the partners that you do have in San Diego. How can they get involved with High Tech High?
Yeah, so we have a lot of opportunities. Our new College and Career Week is going to be launching in the first week of June, June 1st to June 5th. And this is for elementary, middle, and high schools where industries and community partners can be guest speakers, they can lead tours, they can lead job shadowing, and we also have a separate 11th grade program where they have internships that are a whole month. So there's tons of ways that they can be integrated within our program.
And really advantageous to the kids that are going to high-tech high schools too, to have this kind of exposure.
Totally, because if we believe that if they're exposed to all the different industries, then they can figure out what their passions are and really hone in on where they want to go in their college paths, but also in their career paths.
So let's talk about some of the programs that you're offering, including aviation and drone technology programs. This has got to be a real buzz industry at this time, really emerging industry. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, did you know that San Diego is the hub for drone technology?
I did not.
Yeah, but this is at our High Tech High North County campus. We have Aviation 1 to Aviation 4, and at the end of their senior year, students actually get an FFA license to drive an unmanned drone, and they can go into industry, whether that be in real estate or within the Navy or in other entities, so that they can drive drones.
So many different industries will be able to use this kind of technology.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
Speaking of something that has evolved and will evolve over the next many years is digital marketing. I know that there's a program too, digital communications. Tell us about that pathway and what it is that makes available to your students.
Yeah, digital communications, it actually starts in middle school. So we have our intro course at the middle school level. We are partnering with City College's film and journalism department, as well as Pay It Forward Media, which are allowing students to have internships, but also to do video and segments like this that we're in right now, to be in newsrooms. But they are learning all the tech and all of the production of making films and also live news.
And that has changed so much through the years, as we well know, and how it is that you can create, you can be so creative. And again, that applies to so many different industries too.
Totally, totally.
Final word here, what would you say to people in the community that want to get involved, either industries, businesses, organizations that want to get in touch with you?
Yes, please go to our website at hightechhigh.org and look at our college and career technical education site. And we would be happy to meet you and meet our students because I feel like they're the ones who are going to connect you, and you'll be able to be inspired by them too.
Right, wonderful. Okay, Meghan, thanks so much. Appreciate it. That website again, hightechhigh.org, and we'll be right back.